Heat&Glo's SlimLine fireplaces fit where others don't. Slender Profiles make unique installations a reality. Bring your vision to life with multiple models, sizes, and finishing options. Upgrade your ambiance with the X Collection. These enhanced fireplaces offer more heat, detailed high-definition logs, and eye-catching LED embers. This ideal combination of flame, glow, and logs creates a fireside experience you'll never want to leave. Visit your local dealer or heatandglo.com to learn more about SlimLine fireplaces.